Good Tuesday morning. Happy Psycho to me. Whatever it is. Anyway, good morning. As most of you know, I did not forget. Saturday was Naked Gardening Day. But Brother Doug was picking me up early and I didn't feel like standing out here naked. So if you want to garden naked today, go ahead because celebrate it today on Cinco de Mayo day. So so go ahead. Got a birthday today, Tim Sloan. Happy birthday, Tim. He wrestled with Montana and all. So got a little field trip, meeting Jared with his bird buddies from McGill Elementary. Last year we went and it was an awesome day. We saw white pelicans, which I don't think you're ever going to repeat that again. I mean, I'm sorry. That was a one in a lifetime thing and it was pretty awesome. So got that. I got the breach this afternoon. We're feeding dinner, so got it ready. And Brian and I get it done, so and everything. So, but enjoy your day. It's a beautiful day. It's a great day to get out and do some naked gardening. You know, you might want to put a little sunscreen on, but hey, if you don't, that'll be all right too. So, but enjoy it, have fun, enjoy life. You know, don't make a friend, help a neighbor, call somebody, do something positive. Be positive. Be proud of what you do today. So here's our bell ring today. Hey, Miss Lil, you have a great day, and here's our bell